Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your subscription with Audible, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your subscription with Audible, start by visiting the Audible website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account details section. On the account details page, look for the membership area. Here, you will find an option that says cancel membership. Click on this option to begin the cancellation process. Audible may provide information about your membership and benefits. Read through the information provided to ensure you understand what will happen after cancellation. If you are ready to proceed, click the button to confirm your cancellation. Audible may ask for feedback regarding your decision to cancel. Provide your feedback or simply skip to the next step. After completing any feedback options, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to save or note this confirmation for your records. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Be aware that any remaining credits will expire after cancellation. Should you wish to reactivate your subscription in the future, you can do so by logging back into your account. Remember to check for any emails from Audible confirming the cancellation. This completes the cancellation process for your Audible subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.